Hey everyone, I'm your host Jared Taylor. Really excited to chat with Randy Forman, the Chief Commercial Officer at Oshi Health today. We've had Oshi Health on in the past in Dr. Barry and Sam as well. So really excited to have you on, Randy. Welcome.
Thank you. Great to be here.
Randy, this recent partnership you have with Quantum Health that was announced not too long ago. Talk
Yeah,
me through that.
a byproduct and maybe sort of a negative byproduct of what's happened over the last 10 years is that we have hundreds or thousands of point solutions out in the market. And we don't consider ourselves a point solution, that we're an actual a clinic and a provider. But, employers are overwhelmed. They are tapping out. They don't want to contract with 30 vendors to treat every single kind of condition area. And so, there's what the quantum healths of the world are doing, at least from our perspective, two really important things. One is they're making that buying process turnkey for those employers. So, they've got sort of the proverbial one throat to choke, if you will. But, give me one place to buy this. So it's sort of that app store concept. But for a quantum health, that has this care navigator, they call them their warriors, that model. The reality is most people find care in a few ways. Their doctor tells them where they should go, or another trusted person kind of in their clinical sphere tells them what they should do, or friends and family, or Google. And so, Quantum Health establishes this trusted relationship with their members and has access to all of this data. And so they know based on claims that a member had an ER visit and, they had constipation and stomach pain, or they know that they're, seeking frequent GI care. And so they have an opportunity to put Oshi as sort of a benefit in front of that member at the right place in the right time. And so, it's just a huge opportunity there for an area like GI. One, there's stigma, and so people don't talk a lot about it, and they're often reluctant to seek care for any number of reasons. And so, again, the having this relationship, but you don't have to go into you don't have to drive to see them. It's super convenient. So, they get to know their members well. And again, having that recommendation from one of those warriors, I think really makes a difference. And, we have credibility. They know that we're clinically validated. Quantum doesn't partner with any companies without going through a rigorous process to validate the efficacy there. So those are, I think, a couple of the really important pieces and why there's real value in that relationship.
Well, I'm excited to continue to stay in touch with you and the rest of the team and kind of see where things continue to go. But every time I talk with you, there's growth. There's something new happening, and the passion from every team member I've spoken with has been clear cut as soon as the conversation starts. So kudos to you and the team. Thank you for doing so much for healthcare, and look forward to staying in touch with you.
Jared, really appreciate it. Thanks for helping to spread the word.